In this video, we'll guide you through the steps on ensuring that your head is correctly attached to your machine. This video assumes that your PC or tablet is already connected to the printer and the machine is powered on. If not, please check the link in the description below for instructions on setting up your printer and guidance on connecting it to a PC. Before handling the machine head, always press the emergency stop button to ensure safe movement and prevent shortage of the head. To attach your head, make sure that the placement indent on the back of your head is aligned with the yoke. Then carefully slide the head into its placement. The top lights should immediately start flashing blue. Once the head is placed into the correct position, the blue flashing light will fall to a slower tempo. The thumb screw behind the yoke should be screwed in finger tight to ensure secure placement. Now on Repetrel, go to Control and then heads 1 to 5. The corresponding slot should have turned from gray to color. Using the right arrow button, click until you land on the head info model screen. Using the drop-down function, choose the head model you have inserted, then right-click and flash head settings to register the head with the system. Thank you for watching.